Yes, sir.
Okay. So based on motion type, based on position system, types of control system. Okay, open loop system and closed loop system. Today we have to complete this. Okay, so directly we will go there. Okay, after straight line, the images are showing better explanation. Okay, straight line is nothing but whatever the straight line or any um, straight portion will be covered by the this tool. Okay, countering system is nothing but any additional tool. If you will inclined the transformation is also available in countering. Okay, now incremental and absolute position we have studied. Suppose this is example for both. Okay, suppose we have required three drills. Okay, at one plane. Okay, now what will be the procedure? What is absolute? Absolute is nothing but the distance of every point from origin. Okay, and incremental is nothing but the distance from last point covered. Okay, suppose we have started A, B, C. Okay, first of all, we have created drill at point A. Okay, after that point B. Okay, for that purpose, B purpose, distance from A is nothing but incremental. Whatever the distance we required, we have added them. Okay, in previous distance is nothing but incremental, and absolute is nothing but the distance from the origin. Okay, whatever the origin of that workpiece. Okay, that will be considered. A very better example is also given here. Okay, last lecture we have studied. Okay, so please refer if you any doubt, please recording of last lecture. Okay, now if you have any doubt, you may ask. Okay, now the absolute advantages, disadvantages also we have studied. Okay, now next point is a open loop system of NC system and the closed loop. What is open loop? Open loop is nothing but whatever the process. Okay, this is a structure of open loop. Okay, tape reader. Tape reader is nothing but whatever the input or input in terms of program. Is it right? Input in terms of any program. Okay, numerical program because we are studying numerical control methods. Okay, a tape reader is nothing but input. Machine control unit is nothing but our second element of NCM. Okay, now after that the stepper motor. Stepper motor is nothing but the drives. Okay, for every machine the drive is very important. Okay, every machine. Okay, for a stepper motor or any servo motor will be there. Okay, now after that the gearbox something gear arrangement is there, and directly now including from stepper motor to the worker table, this is nothing but the process equipment. Okay, this is the third element of the NC system. First element is program, second is machine control unit, and last one is a uh, process equipment. Okay, now this stepper motor, gearbox, and workpiece is included in the process equipment. Okay, now here the no any feedback is available. Okay, whatever the program we have given, okay, that program only will follow by the machine. Okay, now this is nothing but the open loop system. Now suppose this is a construction. Okay, this is a CNC controller or whatever the NC machine controller. Okay, now is nothing but controller. After that the machine working is there. Okay, this is machine process. For example, this is a milling. Okay, milling machine is there, or you may say a drilling machine. Okay, only drawing is there. Suppose there are 3 points. Okay, X, Y, Z. Okay, what is a X? X is nothing but the horizontal movement of that workpiece. Okay, or X and Y is nothing but the table. Okay, workpiece folder table. Okay, now for that purpose, the X direction will control by the controller. Whatever the machine control unit will be there. Now Y direction is also horizontal. Okay, vertical. Sorry, horizontal in Y direction rotation is there. Okay, and X is having X direction rotation, and Z direction shows the whatever the tool motion. Okay, now for that purpose, machine control unit only give the signals. Okay, for that everyone. Okay, for example, for X machine motor will be different. For Y motor will be different. For Z motor will be different. Okay, but machine control unit will give signals to only singular. Okay, whatever the X, Y, Z. Okay, there is no any feedback. Suppose any action will there happen. Suppose tool will crash. Okay, but that control unit will continue that motion. Okay, without considering the this is nothing but open because no any feedback is there. Okay, now what is the next? Okay, and the open. Okay, open loop control system. In open loop control system, step motors are used. Okay, whatever the step motors, that type we also study in next slide. Okay, step motors are driven by the electric pulses. Okay, electric pulses is nothing but the, for example, counting. Okay, counting of the electric pulses. Okay, pulses is nothing but the blinking of light. Okay, whatever the blinking of or for example, tachometer. Okay, tachometer is a device to measure the speed. Okay, now how works the tachometer? So whatever the rotation. Okay, um, rotation per unit time. Okay, and that will be calculated by that tachometer. Okay, and some pulses are there also. Okay, suppose how we can calculate the tachometer speed. Okay, we can attach directly wire to that circular any rotating machine. Okay, and that rotating machine will be converted into revolution per unit. Okay, whatever the unit meter, second or minute. Okay, now we generally say that what is the average of vehicle 50 kilometer per hour. Okay, what is the speed of, sorry, a speed of 50 kilometer per hour. Now 50 kilometer is nothing but the distance and time. Okay, this is nothing but speed per unit time is nothing but the speed. Okay, so pulses are also there. Okay, suppose electric vehicles are there. Okay, some electrical components are there. Suppose we want to consider the calculate the pulses. Pulses is nothing but the blinking of light. Okay, and that pulses, that signals will be calculated by that controller. Okay, or that signal. Okay, sensor, sorry. And this is nothing but the required also in open loop system. Every pulse rotates the motor spindle through a certain amount. Certain amount. Suppose they will given, uh, suppose now input in terms of stepper motor. Okay, input in terms of stepper motor called the pulses. Okay, now suppose if you consider drill of 5 mm. Okay, vertically. Okay, whatever the drill is, 5 mm. Okay, depth of drill will be 5 mm. Now according to our requirement, okay, we can give that pulses. Okay, how many pulses will be there? Okay, how many pulses will be required, or how many rotations will be required? Okay, is nothing but the whatever the some amount. Okay, and that amount we have to give to that program is nothing but the in open loop system this type of input is required. Okay, now by counting the pulses the amount of motion can be controlled. Okay, controlled by the that machine or controller. No feedback signal for error correction. Yeah, already we know open loop system because there is no feedback system. Lower positioning accuracy definitely because of any failure will happen. Okay, definitely there will be not any corrective action will not be taken. Okay, because of no feedback. Okay, म्हणजे काय होते, if no feedback is there, I am speaking, okay, here continuing lecture, but my voice is stopped or anything happen, okay, due to the network problem. तुम्ही जर ते रिप्लाय नाही दिला तर इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट. ओके, म्हणजे मशीन तर सुरूच राहणार आहे, म्हणजे माझं बोलणं सुरूच राहणार. ओके, पण जे काय आउटपुट असेल म्हणजे तुम्ही लिसन करताय नाही माहित नाही मला, दिस इज नथिंग बट द आउटपुट बिकॉज ड्यू टू दॅट द we have to always in feedback mode. Okay, we teaching system should be closed loop system. Okay, excluding the open loop system. So this is all about the open loop system. Okay, some advantages are also there. Okay, advantages of open loop system: these are less costly, these are less complex, and these are easier to maintain and popular with the smaller instruments. Okay, if suppose only singular operation will be there, suppose only drilling operation will be there. Okay, suppose one nut and bolt industry, we have to manufacture the nut. Okay, only drilling or only singular for the singular component, this machine is better for the small scale industries also. Okay, some disadvantages: there is no way to correct any error that might occur during operation because there is no feedback to the controller. Okay, typically a lower torque motor is used. Okay, for that purpose the very huge and very high speed machine will not be, or motor not be available in this type of system. Okay, second is a closed. Okay, in closed system the different sensors are used. Okay, and that machine, that controller is again bounded with the feedback system. Okay, again now whatever the output, okay, and that output any difficulty will happen, any correction is required. Okay, that correction will give in terms of the feedback to the controller, and controller will arrange again its program. Okay, whatever the difficulty will be there. Suppose in open loop system, okay, we have given something 10,000 pulses. After 10,000 revolution or 10,000 pulses, machine will be our, this is a our standard method, okay, for the drilling of 10 mm, okay. But due to lower temperature, okay, or due to something low power, okay, there will be difficulty, right? Within that time drill will not be completed, okay. But how we will get the feedback? Okay, there is no any feedback system. But in closed loop system, if any sudden failure will be there, okay, sudden any failure, okay, whatever the failure, tool will be fail, okay, something error, like material will get hard, okay, in between that part, okay, whatever the failure will be there, okay, the, according to the output, any difficulty will occur, any correction is required, that output will be give the signal, okay, give in terms of signal, in terms of feedback to the controller, and controller will take corrective action on them, and again they will give the whatever the direction to the next tool, okay. This is nothing but a step. See here, in previous image also, only feedback is added, okay, in every motor feedback is added here only. This is nothing but the closed loop system. This is very basic knowledge, okay, from electrical engineering also. In first year, from second year, okay, we have studied a lot of from these electrical systems, okay. Closed loop system, some position transducers are required to generate position feedback, okay. Something signals, sensors or transducers are available, okay, for the feedback, okay, to remove the error. Better accuracy can be achieved, more expensive, suitable for the large size machine. Okay. Some advantages are there. Higher accuracy is achieved. There is a automatic compensation for the error. Okay, is nothing but the feedback in terms of any error will happen. That will be give signal to that controller, and controller will take against whatever the action required. It is more preferred in large NC machine because of the higher load. So, high machine will be available. Okay, different high speed motor will be we can add. So this type of machine, because of feedback system is available. Some disadvantages: these systems are more complex, definitely, because of feedback system. Different sensor UI should be added there. Okay, different automatic machines, different automatic motors are also required, okay, for the feedback system. Okay, more expensive, definitely. Whenever our accuracy is required increased, okay, machine will heavy, definitely cost will be also increased. Okay, this is disadvantages. Now we have completed the types of NC system. Okay. So am I audible? Any doubt regarding previous? Hello. If you have any doubt, 25 students. Okay. Less 25. Ah, Rutik Godse. Rutik Godse is present. Am I audible, Rutik?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Reasonable. Hello, Vinayak Gowli.
Yes, sir.
Are you
Hello.
late today? Ah,
हा सर अगोदर जॉईन झालतो सर लेफ्ट झालतो.
okay. Okay, okay. Am I audible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So we have completed the types of NC system. Okay, so let's start our continued lecture. Okay. So our next time is a structure. Okay, in every time as a design engineer or as a mechanical engineer. Okay, we are very familiar with the structure. Okay, for every example. Okay, whatever the structure. Okay, structure of NC system, which components are required. Okay, whatever the work of that component. Okay, now this is very interesting part. Okay, now structure of NC system. Okay, the structure of NC system tool is based within which all the elements of system are enclosed. Okay, NC system, whatever the elements are required, whatever the drives are required. Okay, whatever the machines are required, whatever the different extra tools are required. Okay, that all included in nothing but structure. Now requirement of the structure. What are the structures? Structure should be rigid. Okay, some requirement for the structure is structure should be rigid. Now friends, keep in mind, this is very important. Okay, we are mechanical engineers. Okay, our work is no only operations. Okay, or to Our role is to not only manufacture a component on that machine, but machine itself we have to manufacture. Okay, this is very important. नाहीतर हे काय शिकतोय आपण बघा, मशीन सुद्धा आपण बनवलं पाहिजे. वॉट एव्हर द कॉम्पोनंट will be, this is very easy, okay, because from first year to last year, okay, we are always in contact with the workshop, okay, different manufacturing subject we are studying, but how to manufacture machine, okay, this is also very important. This is our duty, okay, as a mechanical engineer. Now for that purpose, the structure of whatever the maintenance, okay, whatever the structure, manufacturing of machine, maintenance of that machine is also very important. Also we have studied one example at last time, okay, whatever the MRI machine, or suppose Rafael, okay, suppose Rafael will get any maintenance required, okay, we should know what is the maintenance procedure, okay, as a mechanical engineer, okay, in that syllabus overall study will be there. Suppose civil engineer construct, okay, suppose if you take an example of civil engineer, so what is the role of that civil engineer? Suppose we have to building construction, okay, suppose for the civil engineer the construction of building is the work of civil engineer, but suppose after 10 year, 20 year, 15 year, okay, 50 year, 100 year, so whatever the life, okay, analysis of that building, maintenance of that building, okay, to calculate, to whatever the repair the leakage also, okay. Now you might be knowing in civil industry one branch is also there, repairing, okay, whatever the maintenance of the building is very important. Different audit procedure is there, okay. Now all these things are also required for that machines also in mechanical engineering, okay. Suppose whatever the life of lathe machine, okay, this is very important, okay, according to the whatever the accuracy, okay, we should replace machine, we should maintenance of that machine is very important, okay. For that purpose, what is the structure of that machine is should be, okay, what are the component, what are the process of maintenance, okay, this should be know, okay, as we are mechanical engineer. So what are the requirements, basic requirement for the structure, okay, that first is that structure should be rigid, okay, so that structure should be rigid, now able to tackle large forces, okay, able to tackle large forces, this is very important. Suppose नाही तर तुम्ही एखादं ड्रिल करताय, बरोबर का, suppose we required drill of any work piece, okay, आणि वर्क पीसला जर ड्रिल करावं, ते ड्रिल वर्क पीस मध्ये ड्रिल न होता ड्रिल संपायला लागली, म्हणजे काय झालं, रिपीटेड ऍक्शन झाली बरोबर का, म्हणजे work tool, whatever the drilling tool is less hard than the material, okay, but this study okay, only this should this will not be happen, okay, because for the example purpose we have taken, okay, but all these things, okay, material should be hard, whatever the structure should be hard, okay, able to tackle large forces, okay. Suppose UTM machine, what is UTM machine? Universal testing machine, okay. Suppose any block, now what is the working, okay, of that UTM machine, okay, to calculate the compressive test, okay, whatever the compressive or the tensile strength of any object, okay, but the very that machine should take the very higher large force, okay, machine should be able to take large forces, okay, that should be the machine should be rigid, okay, as compared to the whatever the workpiece we are studying, okay, this is very important. Now third point is required able to tackle thermal effects also, okay. Suppose thermal effects is also very important. Suppose whenever in lathe machine also, okay, definitely due to machining the temperature will also increases, म्हणजे तुम्ही वर्कशॉप मध्ये जर कधी काम करत असाल तर आफ्टर मशीनिंग, ओके, आपण ऑब्जेक्ट तुम्हाला ते काय चिप आपली उडून राहते बाजूला, ओके, कधीतरी बोलले असं तुम्हाला वर्कशॉप 100%. ना दॅट टाइप ऑफ थर्मल analysis, sorry, thermal effect should be taken, thermal effect should be considered in the that NC machine, okay, this is also required for the structure, okay. Now one example, one best example is here, okay. Suppose the thermometer is there, okay, what is the working of the thermometer? Calculate the temperature, okay. Now also the whatever the limit also will be there, okay. Suppose limit also will be there. Now generally we will take the temperature of human body, okay. What is the range of human body temperature? Okay, you might be knowing whatever the from the 0 degree to the 50 degree, okay, this is the range, okay, for the thermometer, okay, not for the human body, okay, this is the range for the thermometer. But that thermometer, suppose we have to calculate the temperature in whatever the liquid iron, okay, whatever in terms of casting industry, okay, there will be material will be in liquid position, okay, after heating, okay, after heat process. Now, is it possible to calculate to measure the temperature from our thermometer? The thermometer we don't okay, for that purpose, something range should be there. Okay, suppose your machine will reach at maximum 500 degrees Celsius. Okay, then what will the thermometer? Okay, what will be the temperature? Any measurement instrument, temperature instrument should be greater than that extreme position. Okay, extreme point. Okay, these are the some requirements. Okay. Now able to tackle thermal effects also. Okay, every machine. Now shape of guide way. So whatever the guide, shape of guide way, whatever the circular parts are there. Okay, rotating part are there, movable part are there. Okay, now there should be no any. Um, Suppose if you require the horizontal position of the our table, work table. Okay, now any extra particle will be added there. Okay, definitely they will stopped. Okay, definitely there will be any failure rock. म्हणजे ज्यावेळी ते आपण त्या ट्रॅक वरून हे करतो बघा सीएनसी मशीन मध्ये सुद्धा जर तुमच्या वर्कपीसची जर चिप त्याच्यावर तिच्या टेबलवर येऊन पडले तर ते बरोबर त्या गॅप मध्ये अडकणार बरोबर का त्यामुळे काय होणार पुन्हा टेबल फॉर दी स्मूथ मुवमेंट or smooth movement of that table will not be in proper way. Okay, for that purpose the chip, okay, where chip should be stored, this is very important factor. Okay, for that purpose something fans are required. Okay, something extra support is there. Okay, in CNC machine also. And the प्रत्येक वेळेस तो चिप मटेरियल जर खाली पडलं टूल वरती तर डेफिनेटली they will interrupt. Okay, so this is a some points we should be considering the structure of numerical control or any machine. Okay, as a mechanical engineer. Okay, we will manufacture different lot of machines. Okay, for that purpose the whatever the maintenance process, okay, whatever the any correction, okay, whatever the any hazardous any failure will happen. Okay, what will be the corrective action? This is also duty of as a mechanical engineer. Okay, now this point should be considered in the structure of NCC. Okay, now also in structure the first point is drives. Okay, drives is nothing but whatever the energy is required. Okay, whatever the energy or rotating part, whatever the machine, whatever the okay extra power is required wherever the, for example, in terms of motor. Okay, for the purpose of the rotation. Okay, now these are considered in the drive. Okay. General drives are in terms of the motor. Okay. Now this is also electrical part, stepper motor. Okay, what is stepper motor? Stepper motor is nothing but the electromagnetic rotary device, okay, which convert digital pulses into mechanical rotary motion. Whatever the input in terms of pulses, okay, or input in terms of rotation. Okay, now stepper motor is based on electromagnetic rotary, which convert digital pulses into the mechanical rotary motion. Okay, what is digital pulses? Suppose in program we have given the rotation. Okay, rotation in terms of time. Suppose generally we said that the RPM. Okay, what is RPM? Revolution per minute. Okay, whatever the revolution. Suppose within 1 minute, 100 revolution should be there. Okay, now is nothing but the 100 RPM. Okay, that type of pulses. Okay, pulses is also nothing but the electric points. Okay, or electric signals are there. Okay, म्हणजे लाईट ब्लिंक करते बघा जसं आपण गणपतीला लाईट माळा लावतो बरोबर का okay that blink will be calculated. Okay, is nothing but the pulse calculation. Okay, in next year I think also in this semester triple M subject is there. Okay, triple M, mechanical metrology and measurement. Okay, in that subject very detailed measurement devices are there. Okay, in that also stepper motor, different electrical device we have to study. Okay, very simple, and this is very important. Okay, measurement is a very important for the any engineering. Okay, in electrical may be there, civil may be there, computer may be there. Okay, measurement is very important. Now what is the structure of stepper motor? Okay, user interface. User interface is nothing but the whatever the input devices. Okay, index are microprocessor. Why microprocessor will require for the whatever the pulses change in input, okay, or transfer the computer language or digital language to the machine language, okay. This is nothing but also again controller, driver or amplifier, okay. Driver or amplifier is nothing but whatever the um, input method, okay. Amplifier, to amplifier is nothing but to increase voltage, decrease voltage, okay. For that purpose something amplifier will be required, okay. A motor, okay. After that, motor is nothing but the structure of the stepper motor. Also some components of stepper motor are listed here, okay. Indexer, okay, it is a microprocessor capable of generating step impulses, whatever the what is the working of indexer. Indexer impulse the different impulses, okay, or different pulses will be generated in index, okay. Driver, to convert the indexer command signal into power necessary to energize the motor windings, okay. Driver, electric energy will be there, okay, to convert the indexer command, whatever they suppose 50 rpm, okay, or 10,000 revolution or 10,000 pulses we have given as input, okay. Now what is the role of the driver? To start or to provide the electricity to machine, okay, to provide that electricity to motor, okay. After motor, that tool will be rotated, okay. That will be followed indexer instruction followed by the driver. Step motor, okay, after the driver signal or electric supply, motor convert digital pulses into mechanical shaft rotation, okay. Electric motion will be converted into whatever the shaft rotation, okay, and that shaft will be required for the machine process unit, sorry, process equipment, okay. Okay, so advantages of the stepper motor, a simple and cost effective design, okay. A simple and cost effective design can work in open loop, thus no feedback is required, okay. In also open loop system we have taken example of stepper motor, okay. Uh, Excellent holding torque which eliminated brakes, okay. Excellent holding torque which eliminates wait, am I audible clearly? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
You are audible, sir.
बाकीचं बाहेरचं येत नाही ना ऐकू, काय स्पीकर चालू झाला इथं? हॅलो.
नाही, sir.
नाही ना.
म्हणजे मी बोललेलं ऐकू येतं ना फक्त? हॅलो.
येस सर.
ओके ओके, हा. सो लेट कन्सिडर, एक आवाज माईक चालू झालाय त्यामुळे जरा थोडे डिस्टर्ब व्हायला लागले, ठीक आहे. So we will continue. Okay. Now advantages of the stepper motor. Okay. Now excellent holding torque which eliminated brakes and clutches. Okay. Excellent holding torque which eliminated the brakes and clutches is nothing but advantage. Why? Because of stepper motor is having excellent holding torque. Okay. Excellent holding torque. Torque is nothing but whatever the this is also one excellent holding torque is nothing but the whatever the considering the in stepper motor is better, okay, as compared to other motor, okay. Excellent torque at low speed, okay. Definitely acceleration, okay, in terms of whatever the torque, okay. Suppose initial torque is also required, okay, maximum, okay. That for that purpose the stepper motor is very better, okay. Generally, for example, in self-starter motors, okay, for example, our vehicle also, okay, self-starter motors are there, okay. Now initial torque is maximum, okay, only a very small terms, okay, we require electricity, म्हणजे किती मोटर चालू करताना किंवा व्हेकल चालू करताना आपण किती वेळ हे बनतो, जे काही स्टार्टर असेल, only within 1 or 2 seconds, okay. Now that stepper motor is basically used for the high torque, okay, high initial torque. Now these are the advantages. Maintenance free as it doesn't have brushes, okay, brushless motor is there, okay. Stepper motor is brushless, okay, due to that the less maintenance is there, okay. Now high torque at low speed and a simple rugged construction that operates almost any environment, definitely, okay. Construction is simple due to that this is very construct and operate any environment, okay. Disadvantages of stepper motor: rough performance at low speed unless you use micro stepping, okay. Some rough performances at low speed, because of this is a stepper motor and the for the only for the high torque. Okay, high torque for the high torque purpose this is a suitable. Due to that the whenever the low speed is there, okay, definitely there will be rough performance. Okay, consume current regardless of the load. Okay, consume current regardless of the load is the maximum load is required, maximum energy is required for that stepper motor. Okay, because of the high torque is also they will give provide. Okay, noisy motor have भरपूर आवाज येतो. Okay, very noisy motors are there. Torque decreases with speed. Whatever the speed, according to the speed, torque will be decreases. Okay, this is some disadvantage of the stepper motor. Next motor is the servo motor. Okay, what is the difference? Only feedback system is added. Okay, the servo motor is a DC, AC or brushless DC motor. So combined with the position sensing device and the feedback system. Okay, only feedback system is added. Okay, according to the output. Okay, according to output, the controller will give the energy. Okay, whatever the suppose. Take an example. Okay, suppose we have started machining. Okay, or suppose we have started drilling. Okay, the drilling just started. Okay, whatever the speed. Okay, whatever suppose if you required torque. Okay, or suppose speed is required in terms of rotation. Okay. Tool will add break back after completion of work. म्हणजे ड्रिलिंग मध्ये आपण ड्रिलिंग पूर्ण केलं त्या वर्क केस मध्ये ड्रिलिंग आफ्टर कम्प्लिशन ऑफ ड्रिलिंग टूल शुड बी ऍट इट्स ओरिजिनल पोझिशन. म्हणजे मागे येताना 1000 RPM स्पीडची काय गरज आहे का विदाउट वेस्टिंग ऑफ एनर्जी. ओके, ऍट दॅट टाइम दॅट whatever the controller, okay, whatever the sensors are available in stepper motor, that will reduce or that will off directly that spindle. Now, this provision is also available in the servo motor. येते का लक्षात? ओके, म्हणजे समजा आपल्याला फ्रंट समजा आपण काय केलं बघा ड्रिल किंवा इने मशीनिंग ऑपरेशन पुढे करत गेलो पुन्हा येताना माघारी मोकळं जायचं मग त्यावेळेस मशीन सुरू ठेवायची काय गरज आहे का. ओके, विदाउट वेस्टिंग ऑफ एनर्जी. Okay, for that purpose that machine will definitely will reduce the speed or will reduce the or will off the machine. Okay, to save the electricity. Okay, this is also available in servo motor. Position sensor device and feedback system may added. Okay, servos are constructed from 3 basic components. Okay, motor, feedback device and the control board. Okay, user interface, microprocessor, driver, amplifier is same, motor is same. Okay, only feedback system is added in servo motor. What are the advantages of the servo motor? High intermittent torque. Okay, high intermittent torque is also available. Work well for velocity control. Okay, according to the velocity requirement, there will be better working. Okay, as compared to other. High torque to inertia ratio. Okay, high torque to inertia ratio is also there. Okay, what is the inertia? Okay, this is again a mechanical study. Okay, whenever we have started in first year, okay, what is the inertia, what is the torque, what is the velocity, what is the displacement, what is the acceleration, what is the speed. Okay, these are the basic quantities. Okay, so high torque to the inertia, whatever the for the inertia purpose flywheels we are also using. Okay, म्हणजे inertia, torque to inertia, suppose if you require, if you started rotation, okay, if you stop the rotation, म्हणजे बघा inertia is very important for the starting and stopping of any machine. Okay, suppose तुम्ही एखादं ऑपरेशन चालू आहे ड्रिल मशीन मध्ये आणि ऑपरेशन जर सुरू असताना कंटिन्यू मशीन फिरत राहिली. ओके, कंटिन्यू मशीन फिरत राहिली. सपोज इफ यू रिक्वायर्ड स्टॉप. ओके, if you suppose required a stop machine at any point. Okay, म्हणजे लगेच तुम्हाला ते मशीनचं थांबवायचं आहे. ओके, at the whatever the spot. Okay, that this is unable. Why? Because of due to inertia ची चाक फिरत राहणार. बरोबर, गाडी जरी तुम्ही बंद केली गाडी तर ती गाडी पुढे जाते. Okay, this is nothing but the inertia. Okay, that type of torque and inertia ratio is also better in the servo motor. Okay, नाहीतर बघा तुम्ही ऍक्सिडेंट कशामुळे होतात. दिस इज ऑल्सो ओनली इनर्शिया. ओके, ड्यू टू द इनर्शिया. एसटी मध्ये ब्रेक दाबली की पुढे आपण सीटवर आदळतो. कशामुळे? इनर्शियामुळे. ओके, म्हणजे कंटिन्यू ऍक्शन और इनर्शिया should be controlled by that motor. Okay, now this is available in the servo motor. Okay. Now available in all sizes. Okay, these type of servo motors are available in uh, any sizes. Okay, available in all sizes. Suppose in our mobile also, okay, all types of motors are required. Okay, suppose vibration. What is the structure of vibration machine? Okay, any motor is there ना. म्हणजे बघा if you know, okay, very small motors are also required. Okay, म्हणजे अशा पण काही मोटर असतात जे आपल्या डोळ्याला दिसत नाहीत. केवढ्या मोटर असतील त्या. ओके, हे कुठं लागतात रे? व्हेरी फॉर दी स्मॉल इंडस्ट्री. ओके, स्मॉल wherever the small function is there. Suppose in our mobile also vibration is available. Okay, now how vibration works? म्हणजे व्हायब्रेशन होतं म्हणजे काहीतरी सर्क्युलर पार्ट पाहिजे ना. मुव्हिंग पार्ट शुड बी रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, म्हणजे आपल्या मोबाईल मध्ये सुद्धा मोटर आहे. ओके, म्हणजे बघा व्हेरी स्मॉल मोटर्स आर अवेलेबल. ओके, नाउ दीज आर in terms of the servo motors. Okay, now these are very smallest motor or any size, any size. This type of servo motors are available. High speed. Okay, high speed is also available. म्हणजे बघा तुम्ही जर व्हायब्रेशन कन्सिडर केला तर एकदम सडन. ओके, व्हॉट इज अ टॉर्क? ओके, व्हेरी टॉर्क आणि व्हॉट इज अ इनर्शिया. म्हणजे कंट्रोल द टॉर्क अँड इनर्शिया रेशो इज व्हेरी अवेलेबल. म्हणजे व्हायब्रेशन असं मोबाईल करतो एकदम व्हायब्रेशन होत व्हायब्रेशन होते एकदम वाटते पुन्हा थांबतो. ओके, नाही, this is very quick action. Okay, this is nothing but the inertia, torque and inertia ratio is very better. Okay, is in our motor, in our mobile vibrator. Okay, now some these are the some advantages. So disadvantages of the servo motors: more expensive than stick. Open, low feedback is required. Definitely, without feedback it will not be open. Okay, it cannot work open loop. Okay, feedback is required in this machine, in this motor. Require control loop parameters here. Okay, in that machine controller is also required. Suppose to change any input. Okay, control is also required in motor, servo motor. More maintenance due to brushes. Okay, on brushes DC motor. Okay, whatever the brushes AC DC motors are also available. Okay, okay, very small machines are there. Okay, and that should be considered there. Okay, why? Okay, suppose different the rotating or something moving parts are there. Suppose vertical or a tool table should be movable. Okay, that time the recirculating ball screws are also available in NC system. Okay, in our mechanical engineering also, in every machine. Okay, this type of recirculating ball screws are also available. Okay, that is also the part of the structure of NC system. Okay, advantages of the recirculating ball screw is 90% efficiency, low friction. Okay, and accurate positioning. Okay, this is the some advantages of the recirculating balls. Okay, 90% efficiency is nothing but the whatever the what is the efficiency? Okay, efficiency is nothing but the whatever the output by divided by input. Okay, now some due to the friction, okay, energy will be lost. Okay, but due to the ball bearings and different ball screws we have used. Okay, due to that the 90% efficiency will be getting. Okay, you by using this type of screws. Okay, low friction, there is a very less friction is there. Okay, due to the balls are available. Okay, steel balls are available. Accurate position, definitely accurate position for the CNC. Okay, very fast transformation is required. म्हणजे बघा एखाद्या वेळेस मशीन 0 वर्क 0 कन्सेप्ट आपण बघितला. ओके, मशीन 0 टू मशीन वर्क 0, मशीन 0 टू वर्क 0 जर मशीन यायची असेल तर विदिन फ्रॅक्शन ऑफ सेकंड ती मशीन तिथे आली पाहिजे. ओके, दिस इज आवर रिक्वायरमेंट ड्यू टू फॉर दी whatever the lead time. Okay, our target is to minimize the lead time. Okay, lead time is nothing but whatever the work time. Okay, म्हणजे initial to the final. Okay, whatever the time required for that operation. Okay, is nothing but the lead time. But due to that, the recirculating balls takes a very positive role in the different machineries. Okay, now the steps in manufacturing. Is it any doubt? Okay, for structure, If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay. I think 10, 50, 55. Any doubt? Yeah, 38 number. Saurabh. Saurabh.
Yes, sir.
Saurabh, am I audible?
Hello. Yes, sir. You are completely audible.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir. येते की.
काळे. आयुष काळे.
Yes, sir.
नवीन उतार. एक मिनिट, काय नाव होतं? काळे आयुष.
Yes, sir.
Have you attended all the lecture of CAD CAM CAE?
Sir, करतोय sir.
असं आहे काय मग असं बरं ठीक आहे. कधी करताय? Okay, recording are also available on study material. Okay, I will update today because some work is okay. One additional subject is also with me. Due to that, some delay is there. Okay, today or tomorrow I will share all the recording links. Okay, so let's start our point. Okay, so next point is the steps in NC manufacturing. Okay, this is our main study. Okay, so basic study we have studied. Okay, types of different structure of NC machine. Okay, now second step is what is the actually steps of the manufacturing. Okay, now see here the step process planning and scheduling. Okay, also in last chapter also in management we have studied process planning and scheduling. What is process planning? What are the plan? Okay, suppose CNC machine constraint. Suppose what is the parameters are required for the CNC machine controller. Okay, from that purpose, for that purpose, the initially program should be ready. Okay, now to create the program. Okay, to rearrange the machineries. Okay, now this is nothing but whatever the planning. Okay, what is the scheduling is nothing but sequence. Okay, whatever the sequence is there. Okay, this is first step. Second is part program. Okay, to create the part program. Okay, to create the part program according to the our requirement. Okay, after that part program tape preparation. Okay, tape preparation is nothing but whatever the program we have made. Okay, transfer of that program to the machinery. This is nothing but the tape preparation. Okay, tape verification. Okay, whatever the tape verification is nothing but the whatever the simulations is also available in that machinery. Okay, आधी simulation बघतो आपण. And after that, if you confident, okay, then we can start the work. Okay, and after that production. Okay, so see in detail. Again, steps. Okay, steps are listed in table format. Okay, see here the again 5 types. Okay, that 5 times of they have listed here. So see here, the first step is the process planning and scheduling. Okay, what will be included? Okay, what is the parameters are included in the process planning and scheduling? Okay, now the NC drivings. Okay, sorry, NC drawings. Okay, whatever the NC drawings are also considered machine data and availability. Okay, what is the capacity of that machine? Okay, that should be calculated. Whatever the machine data required. Okay, what this is also process planning, included in the process planning. Manufacturing data. Okay, whatever the parameters, okay, of that machine. Is nothing but the whatever the extreme speed of that machine. Okay, whatever the size of that motors. Okay, 1 HP, 2 HP, 3 HP, whatever the. Okay, these are the basic information. Okay, manufacturing data. So these all considered in the process planning. Now second is the part programming. Part programming is nothing but the manual part programming or computer assisted. Okay, we have studied in the previous part also. Okay, lot of manual programs are also available and the computer generated programs are also available. Okay, or this is added considered in the part program in second step. Okay, third step is the machine language. Okay, is nothing but the preparation. Okay, machine language listing, ATP processor or the coding devices. Okay, to convert whatever the program language in machine language. Okay, this is nothing but the machine language coding system. Okay, transfer to data. Okay, whatever the program we have created, that transfer of that program to machine is also third step. Okay, paper tape, floppy, magnetic cassettes. Okay, magnetic cassettes are there, hard disk, MCU, machine control unit, memory. Okay, this is nothing but the transformation function. Okay, transformation function. म्हणजे product whenever we required data from one machine to second machine. Okay, this type of the transfer media is also available. Okay, paper tapes. Okay, already we have studied floppy. Okay, floppy is nothing but in terms of memory card, like memory card or cassettes. Okay, magnetic cassettes are also available. Hard disk are also available. Okay. Fourth number part is providing verification. Okay, verification is nothing but tool plots, dry run. Okay, on-screen simulation. Definitely, verification is nothing but simulation also. Whatever the tool position. Okay, or whatever the any maintenance or whatever the time of the सेंटर. ओके, सेंटरिंग म्हणजे आपण लेथ मशीनला ज्या विषय करतो तर जॉब शुड बी सेंटर. ओके, दॅट फिटिंग ऑफ जॉब शुड बी performing or calculated in the port step. Okay, any changes if happen, okay, that changes will give to the part program. Okay, म्हणजे मशीन मध्ये whatever this is nothing but after that feedback will be generated. Okay, and that feedback will provide to again control unit. Okay, and that control unit will rearrange the whatever the schedule. Okay, and again that the last output or production will be there. Okay, before production we see machine operations and setup shapes CNC sheets, work blank. Okay, these are whatever the after output. Okay, definitely in terms of the document also they will provide. Okay, suppose in CNC machine, suppose we have created one block. Okay, whatever the plug. Okay, plug type vehicle plug जर बनवला in CNC machine. Okay, whatever the some theoretical part we machine also give. Okay, whatever the strength of that machine due to the analysis. Okay, analysis is also available there. Okay, and this is a part of the production. Okay, again tool processing and compensation. Okay, this is also one additional part. Okay, this is tool file information. Now this is steps of the system. Okay, as compared to our machine process, manufacturing process. Okay, advantages. Okay. Advantages of numerical control system. Okay, overall skill level requirement are reduced. Definitely, this is numerical control. Okay, due to that some automation is also available because the automation in terms of the whatever the program we have provided. Okay, that program will followed by that machine. For that purpose, the operator skill level requirements are reduced. Definitely. Okay, so next is the non-productive time is reduced. Okay, non-productive time is nothing but the non-productive time. Okay, non-effective time. Okay, non-effective time or non-productive time. Okay, non-productive time and productive time. What is productive time? Okay, whatever the production or whatever the operation will be definitely. But non-productive is nothing but any delay. Okay, any delay is nothing but the non-productive. Suppose आता नेटवर्कच गेलं माझ्यावर तर ते काय येणार आहे नॉन प्रोडक्टिव्ह टाइम. तुम्ही म्हणणार काय मास्टर 2 तासातला अर्धा तास घालवते असं म्हणून बरोबर का. काय तुमच्या म्हणत असतील काही जण जनरली हे म्हणत असतं प्रत्येक. ओके, मशीन मध्ये सुद्धा तसंच होतं. काय नॉन प्रोडक्टिव्ह टाइम इज नथिंग बट वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम. ओके, फॉर द मेंटेनन्स will occur. Okay, any failure will occur. That is nothing but the non productive time. Okay. Now in system that time is also reduced. Okay, म्हणजे man as compared to man machine. समजा एखादा माणूस ओके any human being will be operator as lathe machine. ओके, तर बघा वर्कर कसे असतील बऱ्याच वेळा त्यांचे कार्यक्रम भरपूर तयार करायचे असतात. कंटाळा आलाय म्हणणार बरोबर का, चहाला चालला, पाणी प्यायला चालला, ओके वॉशरूमला चालला, हे असले दिस इज नथिंग बट नॉन प्रोडक्टिव्ह टाइम. Okay, due to the NC system, non-productive time is definitely reduced. The third point is greater accuracy and the repeatability. Greater accuracy and repeatability. Accuracy in terms of product will be accurate. Okay, finishing whatever the manufacturing process. Okay, again the repeatability. Okay. There is no any fatigue. माणूस जर समजा माणूस किती करेल रे दिवसात वर्कपीस 100 वर्कपीस करेल. 100च्या पुढे एखादा कर म्हटलं तर ती काय अंगाला किती तुम्हाला माहिती. तुम्हाला जर बघा कंटिन्यू आपण 10 ते 5 लेक्चर घेतलं 5 वाजता मी ऍट द लास्ट स्टेज मी म्हटलं अजून एक तासभर पुढे घेऊया तर तुम्ही दगडच घालताल डोक्यात माझ्या बरोबर का. म्हणजे दिस इज नॉट possible, okay, in for the machine, man, okay, but this is possible in machine, okay, because the repeatability is also one advantages of the NC system. Now the lower scrap rates, okay, definitely lower scrap rates is also there. Okay, म्हणजे काय असेल तर whatever the scrap निघणार आहे त्या मटेरियल मधून, okay, that will be reduced. Okay, म्हणजे ह्युमन आपलं ह्युमन बिईंग असेल तर डेफिनेटली काहीतरी जास्त तिथं तुम्हाला हे लागेल. ओके, inspection requirements are reduced, okay, due to the automation, due to signals, okay, output, in terms of output, definitely inspection requirement are also reduced. म्हणजे बघा, whenever we will working on lathe machine, okay, every product or every time we have to measurement take, we have to take measurement, but in that machine, due to program, maintenance or measurement time will also definitely reduce. Okay, measurement is nothing but whatever the inspection. More complex part geometries are possible. Okay, different part, more complex part geometries are also available. Suppose baga, suppose in workshop also, okay, you are in third year, okay, I think in last semester झालीच नाही कोविडमुळे, म्हणजे तुम्हाला वन वर्क पीस शुड बी मॅन्युफॅक्चर, ओके, म्हणजे सिलेबस मध्ये आहे बघा तुमच्या वर्कशॉप मध्ये. एक प्रोडक्ट तुम्हाला घ्यायचं, त्याच्यामध्ये काय असेल, ड्रिलिंग, ओके, फिनिशिंग, फेसिंग, टर्निंग, नर्लिंग, okay, whatever the taper, okay, now all these operations will be there. Okay, now what is the procedure, म्हणजे बघा तर त्यामध्ये तिथे काय करतोय आपण, तर टूल चेंजिंग इज ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, म्हणजे टर्निंगला डिफरंट टूल असेल, फेसिंगला डिफरंट टूल असेल, नर्लिंगला डिफरंट टूल असेल. ओके, whatever the tapering tool will be different. Okay, for that purpose the rearrangement, okay, speed of material, speed of machine, that should be variable. म्हणजे मॅन पॉवरला ते चेंज करण्यासाठी वेळ जातो ना भरपूर. ओके, ते लीड टाइम विल बी इन्क्रीज. ओके, फॉर दॅट पर्पज ड्यू टू द एनसी मशीन डेफिनेटली द मोर कॉम्प्लेक्स पार्ट शुड बी geometry should be possible there. मोर म्हणजे ते काय होणार आहे, व्हॉट एव्हर द कॉम्प्लिकेशन विल बी देअर. म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा नर्लिंग असेल, पुन्हा टेपर असेल, पुन्हा ड्रिलिंग असेल. ओके, व्हॉट एव्हर मशीन विल ऑल्सो टेक टूल चेंज व्हेरी फास्ट. Okay, this is also gets advantages as more complex geometry will be possible. Engineering changes are easier to make. Engineering, what is engineering? माझ्यापेक्षा तुम्हाला जास्त माहिती पाहिजे त्याला, नाही. Engineering changes is nothing but whatever the different parts related to the engineering. Okay, measurement. Okay, again whatever the strength. Okay, whatever the capacity, whatever the construction, whatever the structure. Okay, all these are whatever the analysis. Okay, now this is all drawing also. Okay, these are the engineering parts. Okay, that also easier. Okay, in NC system, simpler pictures. Okay, you can picture whatever the picture is nothing but the holding tools. Okay, for the workpiece. Okay, now that will be also very simplex. Okay, in NC machine. Shorter lead time. Shorter lead time is nothing but whatever the productive time. Okay, whatever the productive. म्हणजे whatever suppose one product we have to manufacture. Okay, म्हणजे इंडस्ट्री मध्ये तुम्ही एंटर केला आणि आत इंडस्ट्री मध्ये गेला तुम्ही आणि टाइम स्टार्ट केला. ओके, काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला, स्टॉप वॉच किंवा स्टार्ट. ओके, स्टॉप वॉच स्टार्ट केल्यानंतर तुम्ही वर्क पीस सुरू झाला तुमचा. ओके, तुमचं टोटल वर्क पीस जोपर्यंत कम्प्लीट होत नाही तोपर्यंत ते स्टॉप वॉच सुरूच राहणार. ओके, आणि ऍट द एंड तुम्ही स्टॉप वॉच ते बंद करणार. ओके, स्टॉप करणार. नाउ व्हॉट एव्हर द टाइम इज नथिंग बट लीड टाइम. ओके, ओव्हरऑल time is nothing but the lead time. Okay, due to the automation of NC system, definitely the in between time, okay, in terms of the inspection time, whatever the accuracy, repeatability time, okay, whatever the fatigue, whatever the failure, okay, definitely that will be reduced, and it will get the shorter lead time. Reduce last advantages, reduce part inventory and the less floor space. Definitely reduce part inventory is nothing but whatever the extra added tools are required. Okay, for example, different tools are required. For example, spanners. Okay, man machine power जर असेल तिथं तर त्याला डिफरंट स्पॅनर असेल. ओके, सपोज एखादा किंवा असेल बघा डिफरंट कूलिंग, सपोज नाही ऑइलिंग असेल. ओके, डिफरंट ऑइलिंग, डिफरंट स्पॅनर्स, different tools are required for the changing tool. Okay, हे सगळं reduce होतं ना तिथं. Due to that, the reduce the part inventory and the less floor space. Definitely less floor space is required. Okay, म्हणजे लेथ मशीन जर आपण बघितली तर त्याला किती व्हेरी ह्यूज स्ट्रक्चर इज देअर. ओके, मॅक्झिमम फ्लोर स्पेस इज रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, एक्सक्लुडिंग म्हणजे तिथं अगेन काय झालं रे, हा अगेन ह्युमन बिईंग इज असू दे. म्हणजे तो माणूस लेथ मशीन मध्ये तिथं थांबतो का रे, 100 वेळा ते मागे जाणार, 10-2-3 फूट पुढे जाणार. ओके, इकडे जाणार साईडला. ड्यू टू दॅट द फ्लोअर काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला, फ्लोअर स्पेस शुड बी डेफिनेटली रिड्यूस हिअर. ओके, दिस इज द ऍडव्हांटेजेस. सम डिसएडव्हांटेजेस आर देअर. डिसएडव्हांटेजेस जास्त दिसू लागले. So disadvantages of NC system. Okay, higher investment definitely, higher maintenance definitely. Okay, need of skilled programmers. Okay, a skilled programmers is also required. Okay, नाहीतर ते आता कळलं आपण how we are skilled. Okay, in next chapter that will be major. Okay, म्हणजे आपल्याला in next chapter we have to create the program. Okay, part program we have to create. Okay, yeah, at that time we will see. Okay, how we are skilled in programmers as a programmer. Okay, now part programming something issues are there. Okay, in part programming हे आपल्याला तुम्हाला समोर आहे, need for skilled programmer, time investment for each new part. Okay, time investment is also very important. प्रोग्राम तुम्हाला करायला सांगितलं, असाइनमेंट द्या म्हटलं आज उद्या 12 वाजेपर्यंत, पुढच्या आठवड्यात 12 वाजेपर्यंत पण आपली तयार होत नाही. ओके, मग हे असं चालेल का, नाही ना. ड्यू टू दॅट द एनसी मशीन आहे. हा, सो time investment. Okay, time investment is also required maximum. Okay, for the part programming controlling. Okay, म्हणजे आपण ते पार्ट प्रोग्राम ज्यावेळेस तयार करणार त्यावेळेस तुमच्या लक्षात येईल what are the difficulties. Repeat orders are easy because part programs is already available. Advantage is so this is advantages. Repeat orders are easy because part programs is already available. Now the time investment for this is advantages. Now second disadvantages is the time investment for each new part. Time investment for of each new part. Suppose if you want each part, different part we have to manufacture. Okay, definitely all the program will be changed. Okay, program will be definitely changed. For that purpose, this is very time consuming. Okay, for the new product. Okay, singular product असेल तुमचा, only one singular product will be असेल, there will be definitely that will be better. Okay, म्हणजे due to that only in MIDC area also. Okay, every company will manufacture only single part. Due to that, the time investment should be decreased there. This is the part. The higher utilization is required. Definitely higher utilization of whatever the utilization. Okay, electricity, whatever the maintenance. Okay, whatever the cost. Okay, all this utilization is also maximum required. NC system applications, some applications are there. Okay, where NC system is most appropriate. Batch production. Okay, batch production. Suppose you require batch production. Okay, batch production is nothing but the manufacturing of the tire. Okay, whatever the tire industry, CAD, whatever the MRF. Okay, this is included in the batch product. Okay, certain similar family. Okay, whatever the similar family. Okay, in tire only the rubber and whatever the windings are required. Okay, मग तिथं काय material किंवा बाकीचं lathe machine is not required. Okay, only the plastics industry, plastic machines are required. For that purpose, the where also NC machines are preferred. Okay. Now the repeat orders. Repeat orders is nothing but again and again same component if you want to manufacture. Okay, that is also there is also this is also application. Okay, म्हणजे आपण बघा different in our workshop also. Okay, one production is there. Okay, one काय म्हणतात त्या production is also going on in our college also in workshop. Okay, something the hydraulic wall is manufactured. Okay, now that is nothing but the similar product. Okay, repeat orders wherever the repeat order is required. Okay, the NC system can be applicable. Complex part geometry. Okay, wherever the complex part geometries are there, there will also the NC system is used. Much metal need to be removed from the starting work part. Okay, where the much motor. Okay, suppose the one feet rod we have taken, okay, but our length of our workpiece is only 30, sorry, only 15 inch, okay, only, sorry, 15 centimeter, okay. For that purpose, the very high material should be removed, okay. For that purpose also, this machine will be required, okay. Now, many separate machining operations on the part, many separate machining operations on the part. Suppose something for the aesthetic views, okay, for the aesthetic or for the काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला, for the display, म्हणजे दिसायला किंवा काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला, मेकअप, okay, in our language, okay, something additional working will be there, okay, that will also get in, किंवा बघा ते कंपनी स्टॅम्प असेल, okay, कंपनीच्या whatever the product coding असेल, this type of is included in this whatever the separate machining operation, okay. This is also all available in that, this type of machines are also available, okay, in terms of numerical control. The part is expensive, okay, the part is expensive, wherever the part is expensive, okay, that NC machine will be there. Now suppose you might be knowing for the gold products also, okay, in gold products also, or in diamond products also, okay, these type of machines are also required, okay, very smaller, wherever the very heavy, sorry, very expensive components are there, okay. Suppose if you require manufacture any satellite, okay, satellite is very expensive, okay, material is also very expensive, okay. For that purpose, the NC machine should be there, okay, as compared to other machines. Now keep in mind, only NC machine is nothing, only automation, okay, only automation. जे आपण जे लेथ मशीनवर स्वतः काम करतो, okay, whatever the working done by human being and again working done in by machine, this is only difference. In NC machine, again CNC machine, VMC machine, this is the next part, okay, but see the only advantages applications, okay. Again next part is the limitations of the conventional NC. Some conventional NC machines are having some limitations. Part programming errors definitely there. Optimization programs are also errors there. Okay, punch defects are also whatever the something limitations are there. Okay, punch tape मध्ये NC system मध्ये ज्यावेळेस पंच वापरतो, what is the limitation? म्हणजे एकदा जर तो रोल वापरला कॅमेरामध्ये तर तो पुन्हा वापरू शकतो का आपण? नाही. Okay, this is nothing but some punch error or limitations. Okay, hardware control. Hardware controller is also some limitations. Management information. Okay, management information in machining. Okay, now is nothing but some limitations are also of conventional NC machines. Non-optimal speed and facts. Okay, non-optimal speed and facts. So whatever the speed, okay, due to the inertia, due to the torque, okay, that will become happen. Something limitations are also available. Now next point is FMS, okay, flexible manufacturing system. So this is also very important. Okay. So till now, have you any doubt? Please ask me. Okay. So I will take an attendance here. Okay. We will discuss for 5 minutes. तुम्ही झोपायचं नाही तर मी जास्त बोलत बसलो इथं. हॅलो, एनीवन? मेसेज आलाय अटेंडन्स. ओके, ठीक आहे. सो paste your number in message box. I will take attendance at the end also. Okay. So if you have any doubt, काय डाऊट समजतंय का हे सगळं मी बोलतोय ते? माझ्या काय लक्षात येणार तुम्ही काय म्हणताय? This discussion should be in off record, okay? म्हणजे आता काय माहितीये का, जो सिलेबस आपण संपवतोय किंवा नियर अबाउट 60% सिलेबस वी हॅव कम्प्लीटेड, ओके. सपोज एनी डाऊट ते मला सांगत जाऊ बरं का, मी बोललेलो समजते का नाही ते मला समजलं पाहिजे, ओके. कोण आहे का अजून सांगणार इकडे? निखिल मुंडे आहेत का? निखिल मुंडे रिप्लाय देत नाही कधीच.
येस सर.
ते समजतंय का बोललेलो सगळं?
समजतंय
हा?
समजतंय की.
ओके ओके ओके. सांगत जावा काय अडचण नाही त्याला घ्या. हा
काय सर.
ठीक आहे ठीक आहे. बघू अजून कोण आहे नवीन एखादा. प्रीतम परगे तर काय बोलत नाही त्याला तिकडे काय सोलापूर. अरे बापरे बोलला.
हाय सर.
हा प्रीतम एनी डाऊट?
नो सर.
Okay, okay, okay. So I think all have pasted numbers. 55. Okay. I will take attendance at the end. Okay. So move towards our next point. Okay, FMS. This is also innovation in NC system. Flexible manufacturing system. What is flexible? Flexible in terms of Marathi आपण म्हणतो बघा लवचिक आहे माणूस. Okay, as like. Okay, whatever the changes will be there. Okay, that will be followed very simpler or in a smooth mode. Okay, so see in detail flexible manufacturing system. Okay. Flexible manufacturing system is highly automated machine. Definitely, FMS is a highly automated machine cells consisting of a group of processing stations. Whatever the group of stations, processing stations are there. Usually CNC machine tools. Interconnected by an automated material handling and storage system and controlled by an integrated computer system. This is very innovative. Okay, a very advanced machine. Flexible manufacturing system is a very highly automated machine consisting of group of processing stations. Okay, what is processing station? Okay, whatever the controllers. Okay. Whatever the controllers are also there. Okay, that controllers are there. So interconnected by 1 minute. Okay, so flexible processing stations are also available. Okay, what are the processor stations in anything? Whatever the controllers, okay, or whatever the drivers are there. Okay, now fully automated system is nothing but the FMS. Okay, by integrating computer system. Now idea of FMS is proposed in England 1960. Every time Indian is not there. Okay, so we should be think on that. Okay, okay this is I will. स्पीच ऑफ रेकॉर्ड. ओके, म्हणजे काय आता माझ्या पण लक्षात नाही, तुम्हाला समजत असेल तर बघा. एवढा आपण स्टडी केला फ्रॉम लास्ट आय थिंक आय एम स्टडिंग फ्रॉम लास्ट 27 minus 5 21 years. Okay, I am studying last 21 years. Okay, you are also studying near about 17-18 years. Okay, from 17-18 years. But where our Indians are there? Okay, this is very critical thing. Okay, let it be. म्हणजे सगळ्यांचा आपल्याला बाकीच्या लोकांचा जप करायची वेळ आली आपल्यावर. Okay, due to the education system. Okay, so let it be. We should be able to access anything. Okay, this is also another part. Okay, but keep in mind. Okay, we should be there. Okay, now I will give one example. Okay, this is very proud movement of our India. Okay, or Maharashtra also. One Amol Yadav, you might be knowing. One Amol Yadav is also engineer. Okay, and they have manufactured itself plane. Okay, in our India, in our Maharashtra, this is Maharashtrian. Okay, this is first plane is manufactured in India. Okay, this is very proud movement for us. म्हणजे आपण एवढे दिवस जे विमान बघतोय जगातून ते आपण बनवलेले नाहीत, बरोबर का? This is very you should think. Okay, we should all, you are also not only, we all should be think on that. Okay, that Amol I think what Amol Yadav had taken initiation. Okay, they have taken initiative for the manufacturing. Okay, Atmanirbhar Abhiyan, मेक इन इंडिया, मेक इन महाराष्ट्र, हे कागदावरच राहते आपलं. ओके, बट दॅट अमोल यादव हॅव प्रूव्ड, okay, they have started its own manufacturing, okay, because of its enthusiasm. So you should be keep in mind, okay. म्हणजे ह्या गोष्टी आपण बघितल्या पाहिजेत बघा. म्हणजे प्रत्येक वेळेस आपण ह्यातून मोटिवेशन काय घ्यायचं, नाहीतर तुम्ही म्हणाल, बरेच लोक म्हणते हा तिथं सिलेबस मध्ये ते सांगा, बाकी काय सांगत बसला नाही. पण कधीतरी आपण विचार केला पाहिजे, काय उपयोग आहे एवढं शिकवून आपण. काहीतरी कुठेतरी ते इंग्लंड, ओके, आयडिया ऑफ एफएमएस इज प्रपोज्ड इन इंडिया इन 1960 असं लिहिलं असतं तर किती भारी वाटलं असतं आपल्याला. ओके, म्हणजे वी शुड बी कन्सिडर दिस थिंग्स. ओके, so try to work, okay, for the very enthusiastic, okay, for not the only for the paper work. Okay, म्हणजे कोण काय बोलतोय का रे? ठीक आहे. हाँ, if you have any doubt, okay, please ask me, because of this is a very theoretical lecture. Due to that, I am discussing the some. No, these points are also related to our engineering, okay, but everyone should be knowledge of that point. Okay, what Amol Yadav have done. Okay, this is the first author of self manufactured plane. काय केलं त्यांनी, एक ते एरो पायलट होते, पायलट मेंटेनन्स मध्ये. ओके, त्यांनी काय केलं, ते स्वतः विमान बनवलं. Okay, this is a very proud moment for us. Okay, now again, every time we should be able to create something new. Okay, now paper pen work is there, only theoretical work will be there. Okay, मग इंडियाचे लोक काय करतात बघा, ते काय म्हणतो मी बघा, टांग्याला घोडा जोडलेला असतो. घोड्याचं काम काय असतं रे, त्याला तिकडे ते डोळ्याला झाकरपट्टी राहिलेली असते, बाकीचं काय बघू नको, तू चालायचं पुढे काम कर तेवढं. त्याच ट्रॅकवरून आपण सगळे जातोय, त्यामुळे आपलं कुठे इंडियाचं नाव दिसत नाही, बरोबर का? सो वी शुड नॉट बी ब्लेम ऑन आवर सिस्टम ऑल्सो, बट एव्हरीवन शुड बी कीप इन माइंड. ओके, बट वी आर द क्रिएटर्स, वी आर द इनोव्हेटर्स ऑफ इंडिया. ओके, सो कीप इन माइंड, this is also our duty, okay, as a mechanical engineer. Okay, in future also you keep in mind, I will be do anything for the society. Okay, म्हणजे जन्माला आल्यानंतर मरेपर्यंत, ओके, मरावेपरी किती रुपये उरावे, हे गोष्ट प्रत्येकानं थोडी लक्षात घ्या. आवर दिस लेक्चर इज CAD CAM CAE lecture. ओके, मी बऱ्याच गोष्टी तुम्हाला जर असेल बघायचं तर माय ऑल लेक्चर्स आर ऑल्सो अवेलेबल ऑन माय फेसबुक अकाउंट. म्हणजे बऱ्याचपैकी मी सोसायटीची क्रिएट लिंक आहे, तुम्ही माझी फेसबुक प्रोफाईलला व्हिजिट द्या. ह्या बऱ्याच गोष्टी मी तिथे सांगत असतो. ओके, सो यू शुड बी कीप इन माइंड आफ्टर लेक्चर. ओके, ना आताच त्यांना सांगितलं फेसबुक बघायला, मग तिकडे जाऊ नका. सो कीप इन माइंड, वी शुड बी व्हेरी मोटिवेटेड, सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड. ओके, म्हणजे दुसऱ्यांना आपल्याला सांगावं, नांगरे पाटलाचं भाषण ऐकल्यावरच मी एक दिवस माझी एनर्जी वाढते. ओके, असं नको आहे. ओके, ऑलवेज वी शुड बी मोटिवेटेड. I am having a very lot of experience after my completion of any speech. Okay, in different villages, in different functions. Okay, lot of people are very motivating me. Okay, sir, you are very motivator, very good motivator. ते उद्या आजच्या दिवस राहतं, उद्या गाठ पडले की ते पुन्हा लांबून जातं. ओके, म्हणजे दिस इज अ मेंटॅलिटी ऑफ आवर ह्युमन बीइंग. So let it be. This should be there. Okay, so move our point, flexible manufacturing system. Flexible manufacturing system is nothing but highly automated. It is nothing but CNC. Okay, you may take as the example of CNC. Now, idea of FNS is proposed in England 1960. Its name was System 74. Okay, that time whenever that system is manufactured, okay, the name was System 24. Okay, this will be asked in computer examination. Okay, definitely. So very small points are there. Okay, but now what is the motto of competitive examination? Okay, from your side also, from our that college, okay, or from your class, number of students might be studying competitive examination. Okay, that should be keep in mind. So not only use the theoretical point. Okay, not only use the only notes. Okay, now suppose if you required a study of computer examination, not detailed study you should be there. Okay, detailed study of any subject you should be there, because this is very suppose we have taken the sixth chapter in this semester. Okay, is it right? The sixth chapter. Now if you see in detail in this chapter, the three in this same subject, the three different productions are there. Okay, three different factors are there. First is the design. The design is very huge branch. Okay, the analysis, the design, computer analysis is very huge branch. Okay, manufacturing is very big branch. Okay, but we have included all these in one subject. Okay, and within one semester. Okay, due to that, those are preparing for the computer examination. So don't stay only the theoretical syllabus. Okay, the syllabus given by the teacher or syllabus given by the university. Okay, but you should be able to refer another books also. Okay, because of very huge syllabus is there. Okay, for that purpose, if you are studying computer examination. Okay, so this is my suggestion. Okay, so next, so see here, these are the flexible manufacturing system. I have taken the examples. Okay, different robots are available. Okay, here where the very less human being is also there. Okay, human power, manpower is very less. Okay, in FMS, flexible manufacturing system. So suppose this is a four-wheeler manufacturing. Okay, this is what the flexible manufacturing system is. The concept. Okay, only concept. Okay, this is not FMS. Okay, FMS is nothing but the CNC machine. But another flexible manufacturing systems are there. Okay, suppose like this. Okay, these are the robotic systems are there. Okay, whenever you will be in industry. Okay, lot of automation is there, lot of advancement is there. Okay, so keep in mind. Okay. Now, flexible manufacturing systems are also having two types. Okay, the dedicated FMS and random FMS. Okay. What is dedicated flexible manufacturing system? Dedicated in this, there are limited variety of components. There are limited variety of components. This is suitable in wait for it's somewhat difficult. Okay, yeah, I think whenever you will be in public, okay, that fatigue will be not there. But आता मी एकटाच बसलोय मोबाईल मी जायचं तुम्ही आहे पण कुठे लांब आहे माझ्यापासून ओके समटाइम दॅट विल बी हॅपन ओके ऑनलाईन टीचिंग दिस इज द डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ ऑनलाईन टीचिंग ओके so we should be flexible for that purpose okay flexible manufacturing system dedicated FMS okay dedicated FMS in this there are limited variety of components okay this is suitable in areas where product mix is not too large and not many changes in the part design are expected. And random, it is more generalized system which can handle large mix of the product. This result is more flexible arrangement of the manufacturing. In that, two different types are there. Okay. Now, is dedicated is nothing but whatever the very less changes is there. So whatever the less effective as compared to random. Okay. Wherever the very small amount of in CNC also. Okay. In CNC also, if you are having very less tools, only or only taper turning operation is there. Okay, this is included in the dedicated FMS. But in random FMS, there all tools will be there. Okay, definitely, only for example, knurling will be there, tapering will be there, drilling will be there, casing will be there. Okay, now all this wherever the maximum component, whatever the maximum operations will be there, this is included in the random FMS. Okay, only simple parts are there. Okay. So next is elements of FMS. Now what are the elements of the FMS? Components of the FMS having physical components and some control components are there. Okay, what are the physical components? Processing station. Okay, physical component is nothing but the whatever the but touchable. Okay, now the process station. Whatever the process station is nothing but the workshop. Material handling system. Suppose raw material transformation for the construction. Okay, all these will be physical component of the FMS. Storage retrieval system. Okay, storage retrieval is nothing but whatever the storage, okay, raw material storage, after dispatching, okay, before dispatching, where we have to store, okay, continuously. If you have in continuously production, the dispatch should be continuous, okay. म्हणजे माझी कंपनी आहे बाबा एक 10 गुंठ्यामध्ये, ओके, 10 गुंठ्यामध्ये प्रोजेक्ट कंपनी आहे त्या तुमचे 10 गुंठे राहिलेले जे आपले सोबत तुमच्याकडे 20 गुंठे जमीन असते किंवा एरिया असेल तर ते 10 गुंठे मशीनला 10 गुंठे तुमच्या ह्याला जर गेले स्टोरेजला, दिस इज व्हेरी difficult, okay. For that purpose the storage retrieval system is also part, okay, that should be considered while the manufacturing industry, okay. In ह्याच्यामध्ये काय म्हणतो इन मिल्क इंडस्ट्री also, म्हणजे बघा ग्रामीण भागामध्ये दूध बरोबर, दूध व्यवसाय, दुग्ध व्यवसाय भरपूर असतो, ते दूध रोजच्या रोज जाते म्हणून आपण प्रोडक्शन करतोय ना, मग ते दूध जर स्टोअर करायचं म्हणजे दिस इज व्हेरी क्रिटिकल, ओके. You might be knowing this is my knowledge, okay, I am giving to you. The maximum milk will be stored maximum for the 1 day only, 24 hours to the 28 hours, maximum 2 days, okay. Before that, that milk should be wherever we will be there, okay. Whatever the coolant may be there, whatever the cooler will be there, whatever the freezer will be there, okay. But maximum time is, extreme time is near about 2 days, okay. For that purpose the some milk products are there, okay. म्हणजे जे काय राहिलेलं मिल्क असते दूध ते मग ते तुम्हाला साइड बाय साइड प्रोडक्ट करतात. Now this is also very important, okay. Storage and retrieval is nothing but whatever the maintenance, okay, rearrange, okay, whatever reuse of that product, okay. This is also very important. Suppose any plastic industry, okay, in plastic industry some whatever the काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला garbage will be there, sorry garbage not, काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला scrap, okay, scrap. Now scrap is also input of that plastic industry, okay. Scrap पुन्हा स्टोअर करायला त्याला जागा लागणार आहे, okay. Whatever the store place will be also there, okay. For that purpose the store area or store retrieval system is also physical component of the elements of KPMs, okay. Now some control components are there. Control components are nothing but the computers, okay. Control hardware, something control softwares are there, okay. These are the elements of the FMS. Element of FMS: processing stations, computer control system, tooling, okay. We have studied here. Now tooling is nothing but whatever the tool, okay. Tooling is nothing but whatever the additional machineries are required, okay. Additional parameters are required. For example, different tools are there, different panels are there, maintenance tools are there, okay. Now these are all included in the tooling, okay. Prevention of the shutdown, okay. Prevention of the shutdown म्हणजे this should be prevention should be available, okay, in area म्हणजे something electric backup is also there, okay. Something म्हणजे बघा industry is related to the electrical, okay, or whatever the diesel, okay. समजा लाईट गेली ते काय आपल्याकडे सांगावं लागत नाही आपल्या इंडियामध्ये, ओके. म्हणजे हे कंटिन्युअसली प्रॉब्लेम येत होता. The sudden power will off, okay, due to some uncertainty, okay. Definitely there should be the backup should be there, generator might be there, okay. Something extra backup will be there, okay, to reduce the failure, okay. Now the prevention of shutdown is also elements. Prevention of shutdown, for that purpose what are elements? For example, generators are there, okay. For example, electric backups are there, okay. For example, again काय म्हणतो आपण inverters are there, okay. Now these are elements of the prevention of shutdown. Transfer equipment, okay. Transfer equipment is nothing but within that industry, okay. How to transformation of the product, okay. After finished product will be there, okay. That finished product will be transferred to the storage, okay. बरोबर. म्हणजे transformation element is also म्हणजे different trolleys are also available in the industry, okay. Automatic conveyors are available, okay, to whenever we require the reduce transfer equipments are also required, different trolleys, okay. After completion of workpiece, after completion of any product, okay, that should be transferred to the storage or for the dispatch, okay. Between them the transformation system should be available, okay. म्हणजे इंडस्ट्री मध्ये तुम्ही आपण अॅनिमेशन मध्ये बघता बघा डिफरंट छोट्या छोट्या ट्रॉली असतात, okay, for the transformation. Now this is also one element of म्हणजे FMS keep in mind, friends. Okay, FMS म्हणजे not only CNC machine, okay, but all these factors, all these management of that product, okay, this is also included. Okay, म्हणजे FMS is nothing but the system, okay, not machine. Keep in mind, FMS is system, flexible manufacturing system. Whenever you will see system, yeah, from the raw material to the dispatch. Okay, whatever the parameters are also considered in the system. And now these systems or these elements are required. Okay, म्हणजे असं नाही, मी जसं तुम्हाला लास्ट लेक्चर किंवा फर्स्ट लेक्चरला मी सांगितलं बघा, म्हणजे मी मेकॅनिकल इंजिनियर किंवा एखादा डॉक्टर म्हणतो, एखाद्या डॉक्टरकडे आपण गेलो, तो डॉक्टर आहे कशाचा, तर कान ना कशाचा डॉक्टर, डॉक्टरकडे गेलो, त्याला म्हटलं माझा पाय दुखतो, ते म्हणणार मी पायाचा डॉक्टर नाही, चाललेलं का नाही. समथिंग शुड बी व्हेरी बेसिक शुड बी देअर. म्हणजे इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये गेला तुम्ही ॲज मॅनेजर, ओके, नाही मला तिथं मी क्लासमध्ये एवढं शिकलोय, मला मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग तेवढं माहिती आहे, हे कुठलं तुम्ही सांगायला लागला मला मॅनेजमेंट करायला. ओके, ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन प्रोसेस काय मला काय माहिती आहे, दिस इज नॉट विल बी. ओके, whenever you will be manager, you should be very great manager. Okay, this is keep in mind. This is our target. Okay, everywhere, every situation, in every environment. Okay, I will be stable. कुठेही काही कसलेही जर मला काम पडलं भविष्यामध्ये, ओके, ॲज मेकॅनिकल इंजिनियर तुम्ही करेल. ओके ना, दिस इज अ बेसिक क्वालिटी ऑफ इंजिनियर. ओके, म्हणून इंजिनियर कुठल्या पण क्षेत्रामध्ये आहेत बघा. ओके, 90% इंजिनियर बऱ्यापैकी प्रत्येक क्षेत्रामध्ये विभागलेले आहेत ना. दिस इज अ very important factors. Okay, now we all should be ready for the such type of the study or such type of the factors, okay, elements. Okay, now sixth element is a part filling devices and orientation system. Okay, whatever the part filling devices and orientation system is nothing but the something controlling element. Okay, part programming, whatever the knowledge will be there. Okay, म्हणजे as you are the programmer, okay, you have recruited as a programmer in this. Okay, and this is also another role to create the program, to create the design, to create the drawing. Okay, orientation system is also there. Okay, that should be, we should be, no, okay, these are also elements of the FMS. Assembly lines. Okay, assembly lines are also available. Now assembly lines is nothing but the to assemble, okay, whatever the product we have manufactured. Okay, that assembly part or assembly whenever the certain component will be there. Okay, there will be definitely robot systems are there. The advantages of FMS. Check. Okay. Okay. This chapter is, I think, finished. Okay, so after elements, okay, today we have to finish this chapter. So advantages of FMS: reduces cost of production, consistent and better quality. Okay, so without wasting time, we are knowing. Okay, provide flexibility. Okay, reduce WIP, work in progress. Work in progress is nothing but whatever the time is required. Okay, whatever the effective time. Okay, in effective time, work in progress. Better utilization of machines. Okay, better utilization machines is also advantages of FMS. Reduce lead time, improve operation control. Okay, improve operation control because the computer is added. Okay, now the fluctuations in market can be absorbed. Fluctuations in market can be absorbed because why? This is very important. Okay, for the, as compared to marketing. Okay, the fluctuation in market can be absorbed. म्हणजे काय होते बघायचं, due to the CNC machine. Suppose market is slack now. Okay, due to the COVID-19. Okay, but due to that COVID-19, we can reduce the rate of production. Okay, in FMS by using FMS is a system, not only consider machine. Okay, FMS is a system. Due to that FMS system, जर मार्केटमध्ये जर तुम्हाला हे नसेल, मागणी नसेल, okay, if market is having not requirement, okay, as compared to other, okay, that you can reduce the production, okay, or you can storage also. Okay, you can storage also. But after lockdown will unlock, okay, definitely the requirement will be maximum. Okay, that time we are also able to provide maximum product to the society, because this is FMS. Okay, because the manufacturing process should be increased, rate of manufacturing should be increased, or you can also storage is also available. Due to that, the fluctuation in market can be absorbed by the FMS system. Okay, this is standard system in manufacturing. Floor space utilization. Okay, floor space utilization is nothing but the whatever the in construction of the industry. Okay, for that purpose, a lot of optimization is also there. Okay, now I will give one example. Okay, I am also aware about that construction. Okay, industry 3.0, industry 4.0. You might be knowing. Okay, what is industry 4.0 or 4.0? Okay, this is nothing but the innovations. Okay, whatever the industry, how to manage. म्हणजे तुमच्या घरामध्ये गेला तुम्ही. ओके, घरामध्ये गेल्या गेल्या किचन आला आडवं, चालेल का तसं रे? नाही ना चालणार. हा, नाव हाऊ टू रिअरेंज, हाऊ टू मॅनेज स्पेस. ओके, म्हणजे दिस इज ऑल्सो व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. म्हणजे इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये एंट्री केल्या गेल्या तुम्हाला काय इकडे बघा व्यवस्थित तिथं काय नसेल. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिक्वेन्स. ओके, यू शुड बी मॅनेज. नाव दिस इज ऑल्सो advantages of SMS. The standard process or the very standardization floor space management is also included in the flexible manufacturing system. Okay, this is advantages. Some disadvantages of FMS also there. Okay, so initial investment is high. Okay, planning required. Okay, disadvantages same असतात बघा सगळ्यांचे. Planning requirement. Okay, planning requirement is nothing but a very planning should be better. Okay, as compared to for the better planning, definitely the skilled workers are there. Okay, skilled person is also there. Okay, so complexity. Okay, some complexity is there due to the maximum innovation is there. Okay, so applications of machining, sheet metal fabrication, assembly, and textile. Okay, now, these type of applications are available, or these are the applications of the flexible manufacturing system. Okay, machining, sheet metal fabrications are also there, assemblies are also there, textile industry is also there. Okay, now in that also, suppose you have visited the FabTech industry in Sangola, a very great example. Okay, of FMS. Okay, all the flexible manufacturing system they have implemented in. Suppose if you get the time, okay, so you can visit them. Okay, in near about Punjab, okay, those who are in Solapur area. Okay, near about Yamadichi, those are in Temburni. Okay, so you may visit. Okay, this is very important. Okay. म्हणजे मला मी काय म्हणतो आपण बघा त्याला, मी नेहमी सांगत असतो नेचर म्हणजे नेचर अनुभवाला शिका थोडं. म्हणजे स्टडी मला अभ्यास एवढा तर नाही. जाता जाता गाडीवरून तुम्हाला एखादं हे दिसलं नवीन कन्स्ट्रक्शन काय चालत बघा, चौकशी करा ना तिथे. ओके, समथिंग इनोव्हेटिव्ह पार्ट्स विल बी देअर. डेफिनेटली नवीन काहीतरी असते. म्हणजे नेचर मध्ये सोसायटी म्हणजे भरपूर काय बघण्यासारखं घेण्यासारखं. विदाउट वेस्टिंग ऑफ टाइम यू शुड बी देअर. ओके, म्हणजे मी आय थिंक आवर सिलेबस इज ओव्हर. ओके, वी विल टेक discussion also for 5 minutes. Okay, मी काय सांगत होतो, we should be able to access all these things in nature also. Okay, I think this chapter is over. Okay, objective questions, MCQs are there. Okay, so I will check how many questions are there. Okay, now this is also very important. Strength very कमी झाली, काय पाहिजे, very less. Attendance घ्यावं लागते. Okay, म्हणजे Yash, please stop the recording. Okay, our chapter is over. I will provide notes also.